Welcome to today's video, where we're diving into one of the most exciting and extravagant lifestyles on wheels, living in a luxurious double-decker motorhome. Imagine having the comfort of a luxury apartment, the freedom of the open road, and the thrill of adventure all rolled into one. These motorhomes are not your average RVs. They are massive, high-tech, and designed to redefine how we think about mobile living. In this full review, I'll take you on a detailed journey inside and out, exploring what it's really like to live in one of these jaw-dropping double-decker motorhomes. First, let's talk about the sheer presence of a double-decker motorhome. When one of these luxury giants pulls up, it turns heads instantly. They're often longer than a city bus and taller than most trucks on the highway. The exterior is usually sleek, futuristic, and loaded with custom design features. From glossy metallic finishes to bold LED light strips, every inch of the exterior is meant to scream luxury. Some even come with hydraulic side expansions that extend at the press of a button, giving you even more living space once parked. Just imagine stepping outside your mobile mansion to see walls gliding out smoothly to double the interior width. It's like watching a transformer in real life. Stepping inside is where the magic really begins. As you walk through the entrance, you're usually greeted by a stunning living area. Think leather recliner sofas, custom lighting setups, widescreen TVs, and panoramic windows that flood the space with natural light. The living room of a double-decker motorhome doesn't feel like an RV. It feels like a luxury hotel suite on wheels. Every detail is designed for comfort, from climate control systems that adapt to the weather to hidden storage spaces that keep everything neat and organized. On the lower level, you'll typically find the main living spaces like the lounge, dining area, and kitchen. Speaking of kitchens, these aren't your typical tiny RV setups. Luxury double-decker motorhomes come with fully equipped gourmet kitchens. We're talking full-size refrigerators, induction cooktops, convection ovens, dishwashers, and sometimes even wine coolers. Imagine cooking a 5-star meal while parked by a beach, a forest, or overlooking a mountain range. The countertops are often marble or granite with high-end finishes that rival modern homes. The dining areas are equally impressive. Many come with expandable tables and luxury seating, perfect for family dinners or entertaining guests. And because space is so well utilized in these motorhomes, you can comfortably fit multiple people without feeling cramped. Some designs even feature sliding glass partitions to separate the dining and lounge areas, giving it that upscale, home-like feel. Now let's move upstairs. This is where the double-decker design really shines. Depending on the model, the upper deck can serve different purposes. Some are designed as private sleeping quarters with multiple bedrooms, walk-in closets, and spa-like bathrooms. Others feature entertainment zones with home theaters, gaming lounges, and even rooftop access. Yes, you heard that right. Some double-decker motorhomes have rooftop terraces with hot tubs, bars, and seating areas. Imagine sipping champagne under the stars from the top of your motorhome. That's the level of luxury we're talking about. The bedrooms in these motorhomes are incredibly lavish. King-sized beds, premium mattresses, mood lighting, and smart control panels are common. You don't just sleep here, you unwind in ultimate comfort. The bathrooms, too, are nothing short of impressive. Forget cramped RV bathrooms. Here you'll find rainfall showers, designer sinks, heated floors, and even saunas in some models. Living in one of these feels less like traveling and more like bringing a 5-star hotel with you wherever you go. Technology plays a huge role in making double-decker motorhomes so extraordinary. Most models are equipped with smart home systems that let you control lighting, temperature, entertainment, and even security cameras with your phone or a touch panel. Some have voice assistants integrated for hands-free control. Wi-Fi boosters, satellite TV, and advanced navigation systems keep you connected and entertained no matter where you travel. These aren't just homes on wheels, they're smart homes on wheels. But luxury doesn't stop at comfort. Practical features are also top-notch. High-capacity water tanks, solar panels, powerful generators, and advanced waste management systems allow you to live off-grid for extended periods. Some motorhomes even include garages for sports cars or motorcycles hidden at the rear of the lower deck. That means you can park your double-decker motorhome at a scenic spot and still have a smaller vehicle ready to explore the area without moving your entire home. One of the most exciting aspects of living in a double-decker motorhome is the freedom it provides. Traditional homes tie you down to one place. With a luxury motorhome, your backyard changes whenever you want. One week, you could wake up by a quiet lake, the next in a bustling city, and the week after that in a remote mountain range. And unlike regular RVs, you're not sacrificing comfort for mobility. You're getting the best of both worlds. Of course, we also need to talk about the cost, because luxury comes with a price tag. A fully customized double-decker motorhome can cost anywhere from a few $100,000 to several million. These are not budget travel options. They are status symbols, dream machines for those who want it all. However, for people who can afford it, the investment is worth every penny. Not only do they get unmatched comfort and freedom, but also a statement of ultimate lifestyle. Living full-time in a double-decker motorhome requires some adjustments. You have to plan routes carefully, since the vehicle's size makes it tricky to navigate tight roads or low bridges. Parking also requires more consideration, as not every RV park is equipped to handle such large vehicles. But once you're settled into the lifestyle, these challenges become part of the adventure. And trust me, the luxury far outweighs the inconvenience. Many owners say that the lifestyle isn't just about luxury, it's about experiences. Imagine hosting a family gathering in your motorhome while parked at a national park, or celebrating New Year's Eve with friends on your rooftop terrace while fireworks light up the sky. These are moments that a traditional home simply can't give you. The double-decker motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's a passport to unique experiences that combine travel, comfort, and luxury in ways few other lifestyles can. For those who love entertainment, these motorhomes are perfect. High-end sound systems, multiple flat-screen TVs, gaming consoles, and even mini theaters make sure there's never a dull moment. Some designs even integrate karaoke systems, pool tables, and virtual reality setups. It's like bringing an entire entertainment complex with you on the road. Another incredible thing about these motorhomes is how customizable they are. Buyers can work with manufacturers to design the layout, choose the materials, and add features that suit their lifestyle. Whether you want a mobile office, a yoga studio, or a music recording room, it can be built into your motorhome. That level of personalization makes each double-decker motorhome truly unique. Let's not forget about safety, which is just as important as luxury. These vehicles are built with advanced safety systems, including multiple airbags, lane assist, collision avoidance, and heavy-duty braking systems. They also feature high-quality insulation and climate control, making them suitable for both hot deserts and snowy mountains. So whether you're driving through city streets or across remote terrain, you're always traveling in safety and style. So what's it really like to live in one? The best way to describe it is freedom without compromise. You don't give up comfort, space, or technology. You gain all of it while staying mobile. You're not just traveling from place to place, you're carrying your dream home with you, experiencing the world on your own terms. For many, that's the ultimate lifestyle. And that wraps up our full review of living in a luxurious double-decker motorhome.
From the jaw-dropping interiors and futuristic technology to the freedom of the open road, these mobile mansions truly redefine what luxury living can mean. Whether it's a dream for the future or something you're seriously considering, one thing is certain: double-decker motorhomes represent the pinnacle of life on wheels. If you enjoyed this deep dive into luxury motorhome living, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.